It's working. I am moving with my controller. Today, I'm showing you how to connect your Xbox One Elite version 2 controller to your iPhone. A21 Aaron Whoa. It has been about 7 months since I made a video talking about the Xbox One Elite version 2 controller to connect it on your iPhone. But it wasn't possible because they screwed us over. So we put in a lot of complaints. They announced that iOS 14 will be compatible with the Xbox One Elite version 2 controller, which we ultimately thought it was going to be compatible in November when it came out. But it wasn't. They finally listened to some of our complaints, or they just decided to do it on their own. I don't really know. But version 14 doesn't come out until fall time. So yeah, video over. Just kidding. We can download the beta version, but a lot of people don't know how to do that. So today I'm going to show you how to download the beta version on your iPhone so that you can start using your Xbox One Elite version 2 controller on your iPhone. Just go ahead and back up your phone before doing anything. Unfortunately, it's not open beta yet, so we can't do it officially through Apple. And I did watch a couple of YouTube videos to see how I can get it myself. I did see a lot of people talking about getiosbeta.com, so I'm going to go ahead and just try and use this site myself and see how it goes. It's a little sketch, to be honest. I did back up my phone completely. It is still under warranty. It is still under insurance and all that. Even if it does break, I'm not doing this without having any precautions. I am going to say do this at your own risk because I don't know. I have never used this site, so I can't verify, and hopefully by the end of the video, if I am uploading it, then my phone did not explode. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that they said is to go to getiosbeta.com. Now it tells you everything you need to do. Tap here to get the iOS beta. All right, download iOS 14. This is very sus, man. Very sus. Like, it kind of looks like some of those websites that you would normally never download anything from. It wants me to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Are you kidding me? If my phone does blow up, at least I know who to freaking blame. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? I'm so scared. Allow. Profile downloaded. Review the profile and settings app you want to install it. I'm so scared. Okay, let's go back to settings. View profile. Oh, iOS 14 beta software profile. Okay. All right, moment of truth. If my phone explodes, I'm gonna be so pissed, man, because I'm gonna have to spend like $200 on this. So now I'm going to press install. Put in my password. Press install. Let's go. Oh, I'm installing it. Ooh, I am very scared. Oh, there it is right there. iOS 14 developer beta. This beta version of 14 contains bugs and improvements. Please tell me I did not blow up my phone. All of this so we can connect our damn controller. This is ridiculous. I can't wait another few months. And I know you can't wait a few months either. So I'm doing this for you guys. So we gotta wait 4 minutes. So I guess nothing else better to do but to just chill. Relax. Oh, come on. Please. My phone still hasn't exploded, so it's not all bad yet. All right, we got 5 minutes. So you know what? I'm going to take a break, put this down. I'm going to go get some cookies. So I'll be back. And I'm back. Had to go grab my Dr. Pepper. And we're at... Oh no, my phone shut off. Oh, it's still going. It's okay. But it's almost there, and I feel like my phone is probably gonna explode. I'm almost certain of it. iOS 14 beta is finally downloaded on the phone. Okay, so what do I do now? All right, it's still verifying the update. And now that I have it plugged in, I guess it's actually gonna get started. So we'll see what happens right now. This is gonna be a long video. Oh, it just shut off. Oh no. Why isn't it turning back on? Okay, we got the Apple signal. It's turning back on. This could be such a expensive mistake, and I am so freaking scared. If I'm not confident in trying it myself, then I'm not gonna tell you guys to, oh yeah, just download the beta on this super suspect website and you can use the controller. Because I've seen people doing that, but if I'm not gonna risk my own phone, then I'm not gonna tell you guys to do it. So it is downloading, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording for about 15 or 20 minutes and then I'll come back.
You get the idea.
All right, the moment of truth is here. The phone just turned back on. It says it right here though. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 14. It's a little bit blurry, but there it goes. Let's make sure. Let's go over to settings. Go to general, software update. iOS 14, your software is up to date. Wow. I don't even care about all the cool features that there is. We just gotta check Bluetooth. Here goes the moment we have all been waiting for. Time to turn on the Xbox One Elite version 2 controller. And let's put it on discovering now. There it is. Xbox Elite wireless controller. It worked. Holy crap. It worked. Oh my goodness. Now, I don't even know if Minecraft is still installed. Nope. Minecraft isn't even installed on my phone anymore because I got so tired of waiting. But that's okay. I'm gonna download Minecraft again and let's test this out. I am so excited. Minecraft is downloaded. Here we go. All right. It's working. It's working. I am moving with my controller. Holy crap. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is gonna change up everything. It is officially working. I'm able to use my Xbox One Elite version 2 controller with my iPhone. After 7 months in the making, we finally were able to get it to work. Now, I don't know if all the complaints that we did to Apple is really the reason why they finally did this. I'd like to believe so. Probably not though, but that's okay. Anyways, if there's anything you guys need help with, let me know. And honestly, I guess I can endorse this website because it worked. So nothing really bad happened as of yet, but again, I will say use at your own risk because I don't know for sure how good this website is for sure. You know, you can never know. You know, it's not on the Apple website. But anyways, thank you guys very much. Also, if you did enjoy this video, then please hit the bell, like, and sub. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. A21 Aaron is out. Peace out. A21 Aaron.